Uniting efforts, the power of pull together as one. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about teamwork and unity. Pull together as one. This expression is a gem in the English language, symbolizing collective effort and mutual support. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the impact it has when we embody this principle in our actions. Pull together as one is a call to action, urging a group of people to work closely and cooperatively towards a common goal. The phrase paints a vivid image of individuals combining their strength and efforts, much like a team of horses pulling a heavy load. The emphasis on as one highlights the importance of unity and solidarity, suggesting that success is achieved not just through individual effort, but through the power of collective action. This phrase underlines a fundamental truth. Together, we are stronger. In every aspect of life, from sports teams to work projects, unity and teamwork play crucial roles in overcoming challenges and achieving objectives. Pull together as one isn't just about physical efforts. It's also about aligning visions, sharing responsibilities, and supporting each other's growth. It teaches us that when we unite our skills and perspectives, we can accomplish far more than we could alone. How can we apply this phrase in our daily lives? Here are a few scenarios. In the workplace, when team members collaborate seamlessly, respecting and leveraging each other's strengths, projects move forward smoothly and efficiently. In community efforts, volunteering for a cause or organizing community events becomes more impactful when everyone contributes and works as a unified force. In personal relationships, supporting friends and family through challenges, offering help, and working together to solve problems strengthens bonds and fosters a sense of belonging. Promoting a culture of pulling together as one can transform the dynamics of any group or organization. Leaders and members alike can encourage this spirit by communicating openly and respectfully, ensuring everyone feels heard and valued, setting clear, shared goals that everyone is committed to, celebrating collective achievements, recognizing the contributions of all members. Pull together as one is more than a phrase. It's a principle to live by. It reminds us of the incredible things we can achieve when we unite our efforts and face challenges together. We hope this exploration inspires you to embrace teamwork and solidarity in your own life. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to learn and grow together.